Welcome back, family, to Idiots in Cars. If you're new to my videos, I need to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started.
Holy fuck. Oh my god.
The other car ran the red light, so obviously it's not the Lexus's fault.
Is this guy caught?
Hey, listen, what are you doing? You can't go that lane. You're lucky I didn't give you a ticket.
What do you mean you didn't give me a ticket? Are you a police officer?
Look, I am
What's your badge number?
officer?
What's your badge number?
Keep going.
Are you a police officer? What's your badge number?
Hey, John, come here, John. Pick up this guy here.
He's fake. He's fake. I want to call the police. I don't think you are. He has a UPS shirt on.
Imagine how bored you have to be to do this. It was definitely her last woo. All the cop wanted to do was go home to his kids and family.
You ain't got no tags on it.
Radiator fluid.
Skill issue.
Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is a fucking unit. That bitch is struggling pulling the trailer by itself. Oh my god. Oh god. Hey, dick. Fuck.
He must have forgot that he had the trailer on the back. Some people don't deserve nice things.
I guess I never got the memo. Notify your emergency contact in 30 seconds. Tap the power button.
Bro clearly wanted that free insurance money.
Don't tell me, Mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
You don't know what you mean to me.
Look at you, now you're going to jail.
My boy said, pop the hood. Pop the hood. Hey, pop the hood. You ready? You guys got any? You ready for it, boss man? Boom! Motherfucker's bone stock.
You're dramatic, aren't you?
No, it's just.
I know the cop felt so stupid after this. That burp cost him his whole entire life savings. Why? Just why? I guess we can say this man met his match. I know Whistling Diesel's garage fixer loves him right now.
Moving.
The Karen screaming be hella annoying.
Here I come.
No sé qué pasó, que no contestas.
And that's what happens when you don't put your winter tires on in winter. How? Woman. Now, why would you let a Mustang driver drive your car? I hope he's okay. Like, how stupid can you be? You watch one Squeeze Ben's video and you think, oh, I'm gonna go do that.
Yo! Holy shit! Oh! Get to the camera! Yeah!
I don't know how you do this. Do you just not see the pole, or did you just have a stroke? For once, it's not the Mustang. Just imagine what the owner thought.
Блядь, что, ёбаный в рот, блядь! Снимай, блядь! Ебать! Заснял, блядь. Пизда.
You see this guy? You see this guy? Number one bullshit guy. What is this supposed to prove?
Close the door! Y'all see that car just sitting right there? Yeah, that's what I mean. It look like you really recording. I just see it.
Yo, my friend, come on, we need the rally. Come on, dude. Ain't no for the game again.
For real.
But he's
Look, that nigga's backing up.
duh, but she don't want to get his car to get in, bitch. Oh, back up too. The door went open.
Wow, win.
And then when they get in trouble, we didn't mean to.
You want to call it a reckless or DUI if they take off?
He's been swerving.
There we go, PA. Move your hand real quick.
Oh, stop this.
Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Shots fired! Officer needs help! Get the car! What was that? You good? Go! Just go! We're gonna be northbound.
Your location.
Northbound Broadway from Rosecrans. They hit us with, dude. Hey! No, go. Dude, go.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that?
I don't know.
It's called a switch. It's like this guy gets a new car every day just to destroy it. Fuck. Just why? Why? Road rage final boss.
Wrecked.
He did.
Now bro has no balls left because of your stupidity. It's not worth it. Take your nap. So you seen the curb and you just kept driving into the curb. Great job.
Oh shit.
Two crackheads fighting crackhead in car.
Showing
Oh,
civilians.
yo, this guy's driving bookies off his head or something. Just hit that car wing mirror. Yo, what's he on with? What's he doing, Bush? Yo! Woo!
But why though? Why? Did someone ram into you?
He's coming.
have to give him his props. Great save, gold star for you.
No way.
That BMW would be better off if it stayed at the lot.
Take pictures, show a body shop, see what they think, you know?
What the fuck?
Call the ambulance, cop.
Oh, fuck.
Get off y'all phones. Bro really passed out with his eyes open.
Yeah, and he shook. And don't let them fool you out how they look. Heard all of the talking, now it's quiet, now it's shook. 29 is coming, bitch, when I cook. Lead the league is scoring, man, but look at my assist.
And look at that, you destroyed your suspension of your car all because you just couldn't go up to the next exit. When they take you out that car, you're cooked.
Holy crap. My fucking God, did they hit us? They clipped me. They clipped you, but that...
Reaction time is golden. Great job.
In between productive and their stigmatize them so badly, and then so we push them really far away, and we put all these barriers in between productive normal society and their drug use, and we make it almost...
Well, it's safe to say that you don't have a Porsche no more.
He knows what he's doing. Yo.
You were the fastest man in the world for a second. Well, guys, if you want to see more crazy and dumb people that drives, make sure to like this video, you comment, and subscribe. And you already know, NAC out.